In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Cash App. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money that you acquired on Coinbase to your Cash App account. While it is possible to do this, there are going to be some limitations. First, you will only be able to send actual money, of course, so you won't be able to send most crypto assets directly. The only crypto asset that is accepted inside of Cash App is going to be Bitcoin, so keep that in mind. If you would like to send money, then what you have to do is sell your cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You will be able to go over to your assets or portfolio and in there choose a specific cryptocurrency that you want to manage, choose the sell option, and then go through the selling process. You will receive money by selling that asset that is going to be attributed to your Coinbase account balance. With this done, you will have to now transfer these funds that you acquired to Cash App through a bank account. So whenever you go over to the accounts page or you choose to initiate a transfer or withdraw request from Coinbase, you will be able to choose the add account option or add payment method. In there, one of the options is going to be bank account. If you have the details related to your Cash App card or specifically a Cash App attributed bank account, you just have to include them in there. If you aren't sure how to transfer it to Cash App directly, what I recommend is to transfer the money from Coinbase to a bank account and then use that bank account to deposit the money inside of Cash App. So when you choose the add payment method option, you select bank account and you include all of the necessary details about the account that you want to transfer the money to, you will be able to initiate this withdrawal request. It might take a few business days depending on when you do this request and depending on the congestion, and after all of that is done, you will be able to receive the money inside of Cash App. You will either have to link the bank account where you received the funds from Coinbase, or if you were able to, just transfer the money directly to Cash App. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.